friends, it's time for our second step. Today we're going to play a little game. And in this game we're going to Hi friends, it's time for our second step. Today we're going to play a little game. And this is a game that you're going to say what is the same or what is different about the animals that I'm showing you. Okay, so the first two that I'm going to do is I want you to look at these, and I don't know if you can see, but I want you to tell me what is the same about these two animals. What kind of animals are they? If you said giraffe, great job. So they are the same animal. Now, look at the animals carefully. What is different about these two animals that I'm showing you? What do you think is different? What color is this one? Good, orange. And what color is this one? Blue. Is orange and blue the same, or are they different? If you think that they are different, wiggle your fingers. Good, so they are different colors, but they are both giraffes, which make them the same. Very good. Okay, so let's do the next. Okay, so here we have an elephant and we have a van. Okay, so look at these two things. Can you tell me what's the same about these two things? If you look at these two things, what is the same? Think about it. What color are they? Good, yellow. So are they the same color? If you think that they are the same color, touch your head. Yep, they are the same color. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. What is different about these two things? We can actually probably think of more than one thing that is different about these two things. How does the elephant get from place to place? It walks with its legs. And how does the van get from place to place? It drives, and what turns? The wheels. So the van has wheels and the elephant has legs to move. So that makes them different. One has wheels, one has legs. Now, another thing that could be different is living versus non-living. Which one is living? You said elephant, good job. The elephant's living. And is the van a living thing? No, it's a non-living thing. So does that make them different? If you think that that makes them different, touch your nose. Yeah, so one is living, one is non-living, one has legs, and one has wheels. That makes them different also. Good job. And there's some other things that you could think of that makes them different. Can you think of one? One has ears, and one doesn't have ears. The van doesn't have ears, and the elephant does. Good job, friends. Okay, next two objects. We have a spider and a dragonfly. Okay, so let's do what is the same about these two things. So what is the same about the spider and the dragonfly? Are they both animals? Or are they both insects? They're both insects. That makes them the same, in the same family. And then, what color are they? Red. Good. Rojo. Now, is that the same or different? If you think that they are the same color, touch your nose if you think they're the same color. Good. Red is their color. That's the same. Now, what makes these two things different? What makes them different? Look at them. What does a spider use to move? His legs. He crawls with his legs. And what does a dragonfly do to move? He flies. So one flies and one crawls, right? That makes them different. So the dragonfly doesn't need to use his legs to move, so that's why they're different. One flies and one crawls. And what else makes them different? What does the dragonfly use to fly? His what? Wings. So he has wings, and the spider has legs. Does that make them different? Touch your nose if you think it makes them different. Good job. That does make them different. One has wings, one has legs. And we can even go further with this by saying, how many wings do you see on this dragonfly? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wings. And how many legs do you see on this spider? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So do they have the same amount of wings and legs or different amounts? The dragonfly had 4, the spider had 8. If you think it's the same, touch your nose. If you think it's different, wiggle your fingers. If you wiggled your fingers, you're right. It's different because 4 is less than 8. That's different amounts. Good job. So there's lots of things you can compare same and different with, because lots of things have similarities and lots of things have differences. So can you go find something in your house to compare same and different? Okay, have fun with this. See you soon. Bye.